Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. You have to start by put your headphones inside the charging case, and after that press and hold on connectional button at the bottom of your headphones for at least 15 seconds until you can see that let it start flashing red. So let's start it. Yeah, we can see it. Now close the case, click on information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. After that open it again and automatically enter to pairing mode, but if it doesn't, press and hold on connectional button until you can see that let it start flashing white right here. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!